My name is Milenko Kuzmanovic. Our company is Versatile Precast Industry. Our companies make precast concrete components, bypasses also for the dam, for example, desalination projects and so on. I was born in Croatia. I came to this country in 1970, just before Christmas time. In Yugoslavia, it was very much oppressed society. I felt that if I stayed there, my opportunities probably would be zero. Very, very small when we started. It was a small twin cab truck, tools, wheelbarrow, and from there we went bigger, come to the stage where I met my Aussie woman. I was very lucky because she did have the same capability as me, maybe even more, because her job in a office as far as the contracts and all that is much more harder than probably what I'm doing outside. Our clients could be Water Authority, Vic Roads, Lighton, John Holland, Thiess, Abbey Group, and then we have a smaller one, Fulton Hogan. The next project will be at Catherine, which is in Northern Territory. That will be 24 apartments. It will be total precast concept for that project here. Well, the reputation, you must have a good reputation in this industry, otherwise if you don't, you cannot survive. I guess it's a probably experience that you through the innovation. I think if you're not able to see, when you're approaching each particular job, how can you do it better than anybody else and faster. So innovation is a main component even, I think, what we're doing today. Well, new factory, it will be, it's not finished yet. We finished all the foundations. We have done ourselves all the structural steel. We made all the concrete panels. So in general, we'll nearly finish 90% of the work ourselves. Yeah. We have been associated here with local clubs. One particular one is Dandenong City Soccer Club, and that engages a lot of young people, including many nationalities. Growth expectation, I believe, will be pretty good in here, but I think for us to expand further, I believe the Middle East is a place because it has the money. I think the future looks very, very good. As far as Australia, you can't compare that with, I would say, with any country in the world. I feel happy, proud that I come to this country, and then even today, if you ask me how I feel, am I more Croatian than Aussie? I would say, well, I'm more Aussie because I spend most of my life here.